Hey guys, guess what? I ordered Ava's case like I said I would. I ordered her case first and it's here. I can't wait to show you guys. We'll do a quick unboxing, go through everything it comes with and what I think about it. I can't wait to open it up. You ready to see it? Let's go. How did I get here? That was weird. Anyway, let's try that again. Let's take a look at Ava's new case. There it is. The Thermaltake 71TG. And here's the other side of the box, showing all the cool stuff that you can do with it. Alright guys, I can't wait to open this up. I'm doing this at work. I had everything delivered at work so Ava wouldn't be able to see it. I'm on one of those things that most people get that I'm not too accustomed to. I think y'all call it a lunch break. Yeah. In the IT world, I don't get very many lunch breaks. But I'm getting one today. And it comes, of course, nicely packed with the styrofoam. It's got plastic. I wonder if I could just set it down on its side and slide it out. We're going to try that because this is a big boy. Alright, then it's got this other box around it. Alright, this is the bottom. Your paperwork. Go ahead and get these out of the way. This is the bottom. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, boys and girls. These are going to be filled with Corsair RGB fans. I'm going to take out the one that's in it and the one in back and replace them with the Corsair RGB fans that I showed you in the first video. I'm also going to have them going across the top. And on my water cooler, I'm thinking about putting some of those on there as well and mounting it either to the front on the inside or straight to the side over here. So the fans will be facing this way. Because this case is big enough to do that. But yeah, woo! I'm going to get my camera now and show you some close-ups of it. Because I'm sure a lot of lights were reflecting off this glass. It does come with some plastic over it, just to keep it from scratching, I guess. This is tempered glass, so it should be pretty tough. But they were just taking that precaution. But let's open it up. All right, here's a view from the side with the glass on and the plastic, by the way. It does, there's its hard drive case. I'm gonna take the glass doors off. I'm just trying to show you real quick. See, this is where your video card will go if you buy the adapter to place it on the side with the fans facing. But that looks so cool. Here's the top view, if I can see, if y'all can see. Might have to angle it, the light's reflecting. but there's nothing in there now, so there's really nothing to see. And then the other side, here's the other side. You can see the back plating. This is where your CPU will be on the other side. It has places here, here, and here to mount hard drives, so you don't need the front drive bays. I can already see my USB 2.0 pin header there. The inside cables. I'm thinking about maybe getting some lighting to go around here. That would be cool. All right. So I'm going to open it up for you and we'll take another look. All right, I took the front glass off. That's it. And here's the front of the machine with no glass. It's got its own dust protector. There's its fan. That's history. It just doesn't know it yet. We'll take a look at the front. Make sure y'all can see it. This is my power button over here. A USB 3 header, USB 2, and another USB. It's got two USB 3s, two USB 2s, mic, headphone, and a reset button. A tiny reset button, but that's fine. I'm not going to take the top off right now, but let's jump in the side. All right, guys, I wanted to show you how to take off the glass side before I got it open. So you take out the two screws, and then it just swings open, and you can simply lift it off and set it aside. All right, we're going to cut it and hopefully y'all can see the inside. This is where your video card will sit, but you still have to buy the adapter to go to the PCIe slot on your motherboard and to the card. Let's see what that looks like. Let's just bring that on in here. Looky here. This must be my spare parts, screws, stuff like that. But it goes in this bay, and I'll leave it in here for right now till I get ready to start putting stuff together. But it already comes with this place right here for your video card to sit on. And like I said, you still have to buy the adapter to go from the video card to the PCIe slot on your motherboard. But here's a nice big cutout for your CPU to get that coolant. Keep it cool for airflow. It's got nice cable management holes. This can come out. I'll have to read the directions to see how, because I thought about mounting my water cooler right here, or either right there. But I'm thinking I'd like it to be right here, because I believe these punch out if you don't need them. But oh yeah. And this is so cool that you can just do this to the back side. Okay, yeah, I'll show you in a minute when we get around the back, but these just have 4 screws, one in each corner, holding these in. They're screwed in from the back side. So, so you just take out these 4 screws, 2 on each side, and these come right off. And these back plates have twistable screws in the back where you can take those off, and that's probably what I'll do. So I can mount my my 360 has 3 120 radiators. It's the Corsair. Well, I'll have to go back and look. I forget the exact model number of it. But it's got 3 120s. It's a very long radiator, but it should fit right here. That's awesome. All right, guys, here's the back side. Here's the twist screws. You can, if they're super tight, that you can get them out with a Phillips. But here are also the 4 screws on each side for the front drive bays that can be removed. And these can be removed as well, but you see you got plenty of places to screw hard drives on here. I'm not sure about removing this one just yet, but I'm definitely going to remove these and see what my water cooler looks like. But here are my cables for the front ports. Here's my fan plug. I can't wait till more parts show up so I can start putting this thing together. I don't know if I'm in the picture or not. But yeah, you got plenty of holes to slip for cable management. So that's pretty awesome right there. You can even go, it's got holes in the top to go over the top if you need to. It's got a hole down here to go underneath. So that's pretty awesome. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I can't wait till more parts show up and I can actually show y'all putting the motherboard and power supply and the video card and stuff like that in there. All the fans, it's going to look awesome. I can't wait. But before we go, you know the drill. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell next to it so you'll be alerted the next time I put out a video when the next part comes in. I'm thinking I'm probably going to order the motherboard first so I can get it in there and truly see how much room along the sides of it that I actually have. Unless I just catch something on sale. If you catch one of your pieces in your wish list on sale, especially if it's one of the higher dollar ones, buy it. If your other part that you've been wanting has been the same price and something goes on sale, buy the sale one. Maybe when you're ready for the original one you were thinking about buying, maybe it'll go on sale. You never know. But anyway, I'm going to fiddle around with this a little bit more. Probably take these drive bays out. But I can't wait for more parts to show up. So please hit the subscribe button and that little bell. It makes a huge difference for us and we really appreciate it on our race to 1,000 subscribers. Please hit the thumbs up if you like this video. This is an awesome case. It's a full-size tower, so there's plenty of room in here so you don't scrape your fingers up working on just a mid-sized tower or smaller. But yeah, I can't wait to hook this bad boy up. Till the next time, this is Game Killer Daddy saying peace and God bless.
GameKillerzCrew.